if you guys are new to my channel, you can see that I'm doing a different format here. And I've been trying to incorporate my craft room more and me a little bit more. And I would love to hear in the comments down below if you guys appreciate that and if you'd like to see that, or maybe you'd like to just see my hands just doing the work. But I am definitely incorporating that into everything I do. And I also have changed a little bit, but not really a change. Just I've been messing around with more stitching, as you guys see and know if you're, come back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I definitely do a lot of different crafts. So, I'm Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts is the name of my channel. And I do incorporate all kinds of things. I do like tie-dyeing. I do embroidery. I do some slow stitching. Junk journaling is my main thing I love to do. So I try to tie it all together into junk journaling. And there will be a video here and there that is just, maybe just like I did the rainbow video the other day of me just embroidering the rainbow with the cloud and the hearts that are raining down. It's really cool. But it's just a process video, and it's in, fast motion and stuff. And if you guys want to check that out, I'll put it on the end screen. It's pretty fun. So stuff like that I like to throw in a little bit because I do a lot of different crafts. I mean, hence the name, Snowstorm Crafts. And yeah, so I'm wanting to know down in the comments, that would really help me out, if you guys are liking the change of, putting my craft room in here more, just kind of showing the ins and outs of my day of working on art and what I'll be doing. So yeah, I'd love to hear from you guys. So this is just a touch base and just to see what you guys are thinking, to know input back from you guys for sure. And I really appreciate all the comments. I really appreciate the subscriptions that you guys are coming back. And I mean, I love the support of this community, and I just want to keep building it and see what you guys want. A little. This is a top shelf with all my fabric scraps, fabric strips, little pieces and stuff. And I went through all this on a video with you guys of how I organize it, into boxes and recyclable containers and stuff like that, things you can find around the house to use. I'll put that video on the end screen and you guys come check it out. But what's fun is I got our little stitch journal that we've been working on. And just some fun fabrics right here. So yeah, so I just got everything just pretty organized on my top shelf here. So I'm working on it. And yeah, I want to show you guys what I'm working on today. Sashiko Coaster Collection, Japanese Traditional Embroidery. My mom sent me this, and if you guys know, she's a quilter, and she sends me all kinds of fabrics and quilts that she's made, and some, you know, she's into embroidery and everything. So everything I have learned is from her, and she always sends me goodie boxes. So this is one of them, and I thought it would be kind of fun to not have them coasters, but how cool is this? Check this out. This is what it is. If you can see that, it's kind of dark, huh? Make sure to show you. There we go. It's all together like this, and I think it would be so much fun to do these, to embroidery them, or slow stitch, or, you know, hand stitch, and make it into a fun journal. What do you guys think? So I wanted to show you guys this today. This is like a cotton thread, and for some reason I tangled it up pretty darn good. So I'll have to untangle that. And this is what it looks like. It says Sashiko thread, 100% cotton. Okay? And then these are Sashiko needles. Like that. And then it's all Japanese, so I'm not sure what it says. Okay. So we got that, and then I love how these are all different colors that you can use. So what I'm thinking, how fun would that be to, in the next video, let me know down below in the comments if you guys would like to see, let's do some dyeing of embroidery floss. We can dye it and then sew it on our little booklet here. So isn't that fun? So right now I just want to go ahead and let's get one started. So I mean, this is just so cool. So I'll make sure you guys can see it here. And if you guys don't know this style of embroidery or slow stitch, it is pretty much running stitches, which is just up and down, but you go like this and you catch the thread or the fabric. So you go down like that. I'm just following the lines that they have here. Like that, like that. And it is a Japanese tradition where they would, instead of throwing out old clothes or anything like that, they would use the old clothes and patchwork them on top of the, like if there's holes or anything, or patchwork them onto other fabrics to thicken the clothes up to keep the fishermen and everything, like their jackets and stuff, to keep them warm. So I think that's really cool, and it's just super fun. So what you do, and you just take it and then pull it through, just like that. So that's pretty much what it is gathering. So you're taking and you're gathering the cloth underneath, and you're just moving your needle up and down, just like that, and gather as much as you want, however you feel like you want to do. And then you just take it and pull the needle, hold the fabric, and then just pull it through, just like that. So that would be done all the way around and all through all of it here, like that. And if you guys don't have this kit or anything like that, you can always just do your own. I mean, you could just do running stitches straight across, just like that. So let me tell you how, like, you guys can just make your own out of fabric here. And let's see how long this is. So this is roughly 27 inches long by, let's see, 6. So 6 inches tall, okay, and 27 inches long. And then just take it, and all you got to do is just, let's see what each individual square is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, no wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each little square here that's folded is 5 inches. So you got 5 inches like this, okay? 5 inches by 6 inches. So 6 inches by 5 inches. So, and then 27 long. So if you just do that and then just take it, you know, and fold it up and just have little folds, you know, individually into your, like that. And then we'll make this into a cool little flip book. I think that'd be so much fun. So what I'm gonna do for today, until next video, is, I know it is kind of dark to see it, I have to bring it up, is I'm going to finish stitching just this whole pattern here. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna stitch around the edges. Maybe, I might as well. I think it'd be kind of cool to stitch on the edge work, because on here they don't, well, I guess maybe they do. Oh, I guess they did. They did stitch all around right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. And then when we meet up next time, I think we'll go ahead and dye some threads and work on maybe a color. I think, wouldn't that be fun? I think that'd be kind of fun. So let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see me dye some threads, and I'd love to hear from you guys. Hit the like button. That helps me so much. And I hope you guys like my new way. I'm kind of just showing you guys my craft room and cleaning up and doing things and just kind of getting into kind of the background, you know, the ins and outs of what I do with a daily kind of a vlog, you know. So let me know what you guys think of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.